This bead kit comes with a whopping 33,000 pieces. Take a look at the massive drawer system the kit comes in. The instruction says that you can complete a pattern in 4 easy steps. And look at all those bags of beads. The beads come in 33 different colors. Each color is individually bagged so you can keep them organized. You also get 150 different patterns, and I'll show you some finished ones in a second. So here we've got a pegboard. You get 8 pegboards in total, and this one is in the shape of a heart that we've laid down onto the floor. We're using one of the 6 tweezers to pick up and place the tiny beads onto the pegboard. After many hours of fun and entertainment, we have a whole bunch of different designs we've made. This is the heart we started off with, and we added one of the 15 key rings to it. How cute is that? Look at all these beautiful and colorful pieces. We have a rainbow, some Easter egg designs. We've got some larger square pieces with multiple design elements on each. There's a Christmas stocking, a wreath, a carrot, an owl, a snowman, and here's another keychain we made in the shape of a flower. We've also got some more animals, including some dogs, a cat, somebody's hand. Oh, and here's Mickey. And by the way, this is just the tip of the iceberg because we still have a lot more beads from the kit to craft with.